Home security is, it's a real thing now. And now everybody wants to have their eyeballs on stuff. Meaning that there's all kinds of security cameras out there. This one happens to be a light bulb that is actually a security camera that you spy on via Wi-Fi. How cool is that? So let's open this thing up. I just had to get it open, man. That literally looks like an eyeball. So big eyeball. That is so cool. Okay, so let me keep the plastic on there. It actually has a little camera lens like right there. Then it's like an LED bulb. This looks like it could be a speaker. I don't know what this is right here. It's made by Hijunumi? I don't know, man. But you do have an SD card slot here, and looks like it could be either a reset or a power button. We'll find out in a moment. Got some FCC stuff going on here. This is probably the most high-tech light bulb I've ever seen in my life. Let's put it right back in here and we'll stand it up. Show it some respect, all right? Then I gotta look at these instructions, man, just to see how I'm gonna get this thing going. I know there's gotta be an app somewhere. Okay, there's an app. It's called 360 Eyes in the App Store or Google Play. So let's go ahead and download that. So as you open up the app, you actually need to sign up for an account. You let it have your location, access, and stuff like that. So I'm in America, put in my email. Don't be peeking at my email, hold on, okay. Then you hit the add camera button. So look, I gotta go downstairs. I gotta find some place to put this thing so we can spy on me, and I'll keep talking about it as we go through it. So I'm gonna add the camera as soon as I get it lit up. Wow, this is crazy, let's go. The concept of this is just crazy. I don't know if I'm just behind the times already or if it's actually just that crazy that you can have a camera spying on you. Now, I don't know if this is the best place to fit this thing because this is actually a recessed area, but we'll see. It should be a pretty wide angle lens. Oh, let me take that little plastic off of there real quick. Hey Google, turn on the living room lights. Okay, I just heard something click up there. Let's see what's going on my app. So I'm gonna hit add camera. Okay, and obviously we gotta go search for some Wi-Fi. Let's use this mode right here. And then it says hit the reset button. Let's just go next. All right, let me put in the password. Okay, yes, I'm in America. What in the world? Okay, it's making some noise. I guess it's searching. Maybe it found the camera. What is so loud? That's my phone. But I did hear a beep or something coming from the camera itself. Camera ready. Get out of here. It has a speaker on it. It just said camera ready. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. Name your camera does not support special characters. What are we going to name this thing? We'll call it Eye in the Sky. Eye in the Sky. All right. I forgot my space right there. Eye in the Sky. See that? All right. Now, okay, share my camera with my friends. No, I'm not in the mood for that right now. Oh, this is going to be so cool. Okay, we can oh my God, that's my living room. Oh my God, do I see myself? Where am I at? Oh, I'm over here. I'm squatting right there. That is nuts. Wow. Okay, whoa. Oh, this is freaking mind blowing. Okay, get out of here. You can zoom in. Look at me right there. This is real time. Hold on. It's got like a 1 second delay. Do you see me waving? Do you see me waving right there? That is nuts. I am blown away by this camera. This is nuts. It's like watching Google Earth or something, but it's in my living room. Oh my God. This is nuts. Okay, but how do you turn on the light? Okay, so it has a video camera. Let's see what the video footage looks like. Is it recording now? I'm assuming it's recording. I can talk? Okay, let's press this talk button and see what it does. It needs my permission to access the microphone. All these permissions. Yes, man, I'm trying to use this thing. Okay, so press to talk. Is it an intercom? Hello? Get out of here. It's an intercom. Hello, testing. It is an intercom button. That is freaking crazy. Oh my God. You can take pictures of whatever you're looking at. Okay. I'm pretty sure I'm actually recording right now. Let's check the recording in the album. Okay, so these are photos right here. So I can take a picture. These are the 2 photos I took. Let's go back to see. Here's the video. Okay, so get out of here. Okay, so the video is actually from the overhead view. You can't really zoom in or out, or you can zoom in. Wow, get out of here. The video quality is okay. So you have the option for adaptive SD or HD quality. So we put it on HD quality right there for the video. Let's take some more video. Let's hit the little video camera right there, and we'll just record a few seconds of that. I'm still tripping on this intercom thing. This is nuts. Yeah, oh my God. It does have a speaker on it, and it's an intercom. As far as the light functionality, you know what? Let me turn this recording off real quick, and then I guess we'll go back to the gallery, and then we'll see. It was a 16-second video. Let's check the quality of that. Oh, the quality is much better when you hit HD. It's still not the greatest. Oh, I'm hitting the Bixby button. But man, it gives you a really good, wow. Okay, let's stop that. It gives you a really good image. It's not like full on 1080p HD, but it does give you a great image. I want to see how you turn on the light. Okay, so there's a little light right here. Let's press that. Do we get light? I'm not getting anything. Oh, wow, it's on. Okay, hold on. There it is. It actually turned on. It's got a really bluish hue to it. Okay, so if you see that light over there, it's got a blue hue to it. Let me turn it on again. Wow. Okay, so it's got a very cool blue or almost daylight look to it. Wow. That is crazy. It's a freaking light bulb and a camera. All right, oh, my legs. I was cramped out. Okay, so check this out. Y'all have got to try this out. I'm looking at myself, looking into the camera right now, and I got the light bulb. It's not on right now. Let me turn it on. Let me see. The light bulb is on behind me. It's actually staring at my butt right now. I'm looking at my butt right now in the camera, and I'm surveying my whole living room. So I'm gonna see if I can put some camera footage from this in the video so you guys can see what I'm actually looking at. This, oh my God. Okay, I gotta show you this real quick. Okay. So, when you hit this little square right here, so, oh, wow. Okay, this is trippy. All right, so when you hit okay, so when you hit this button right here, it actually takes you to different views. Okay, so this is the original view. Can you see this? This is my house, by the way. So when you look at, this is absurd. Okay, and then we go into another view. This is, wow, it's like some weird 2 panoramic photos or videos rather of my house. Wow. Then you have this cylindrical view. Yeah, it's a cylinder. Man, that is nuts. I hope the camera's picking this up. And now we're inside the cylinder, it looks like. Yeah, we're inside of it. This is like a half bowl view, like a dome view. And then this is back to the original. That's crazy how it zooms in and stuff like that. I gotta play with this some more, man. But so far, this is I'm giving this 100% approval, man. You have got to get one of these. I am thoroughly impressed with the features of this thing. We're talking about home security, like surround sound home security. One bulb. So if you put this in the right place in your house, you're gonna be able to see a lot of what's going on and be able to pan the room and stuff like that in real time. And you've got an intercom. Can you hear that? Ah, that's so cool. Man, at the end of the day, I think if you can find an application for this in your house, I mean, to get the bird's eye view, you have to have it coming from the ceiling. You can't put it in a lamp facing up, or maybe you'd have to have it facing something. Mine was hanging from the ceiling like that in a recessed position. That's how I had that bird's eye view. So if you can find an application that's right for you, I think this is a great buy. I'm giving it 100% approval from me. I was having so much fun playing with this thing. It's got a lot of features. It's fully packed. It's got, I believe it's like a motion sensing where it'll turn on, give you an alert, but you have to have your memory card in there so it can actually record physically to the memory card. But you can check on things via Wi-Fi. You got your intercom function there. You can actually talk to people while they're in the house. Like if I wasn't in the house, I could actually talk to people that were in the house, whether it be an intruder or my son. I'd be like, if he was on the couch, I'd be like, hey man, do your homework right now. Then he'd be like, Dad, I am doing my homework. Then I'd be like, no, you're not. You got your feet up on the table and you're not doing your homework. Yeah, you can just spy on people like that and talk trash to them over the intercom. Anyways, this thing is fully packed with features. Oh, and by the way, the light, it's actually like an auto dimming on off kind of thing. You have the app. You can actually select whether it's manual on and off or it just kind of comes on and off automatically. This thing is so packed with technology, it's unbelievable. Anyways, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. But before I get out of here, make sure you tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'm gonna see y'all at the next one.